In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pickup in Payhip. Let's get started by opening your Payhip dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account menu there. Click on it and then choose settings from the dropdown. This takes you to the area where you manage store-wide preferences. Inside settings, select the shipping option. This is where Payhip organizes everything related to delivery methods, including local pickup. Scroll until you find the local pickup section. If you see a note that local pickup hasn't been enabled for your store yet, that's expected. We're about to turn it on. Click Edit to open the local pickup configuration. On the local pickup page, switch on the Enable Local Pickup toggle. This is the key action that makes pickup available at checkout. Right below, look for the Locations area and confirm that the address shown is the correct physical location where customers will collect their orders. Accuracy here matters. Your customers will rely on this address for directions, so double check the street, city, and postal code. Next, move to the Settings area within Local Pickup and click Edit Settings. You'll see a field for expected pickup time. This message appears on the checkout page before a customer completes their purchase, so keep it clear and realistic. For example, you might say ready in 24 hours, same day pickup if ordered before 2 p.m., or ready within 2-3 business days. Set a time frame that matches your fulfillment process and business hours. Below that, add your pickup instructions. These appear after checkout and on the email receipt, so this is your chance to guide customers smoothly. Include exactly where to go when they arrive, any entry or parking details, what to bring, such as an order number or ID, and how to contact you upon arrival if needed. If you have designated pickup times or a specific counter, spell that out clearly. The more specific you are, the fewer follow-up questions you'll receive. When everything looks good, click Save. Your local pickup option is now enabled and customers will see it at checkout alongside other delivery methods. If you ever change your hours or address, remember to come back here and update the expected time and instructions so they always reflect your current process. That's all there is to it. Enable the toggle, verify your location, add clear timing, provide helpful instructions, and save. Thanks for watching and happy selling with local pickup in Payhip.